I'm stopping in to talk a little bit about the Bidet Bliss BB2000 Smart Toilet Seat. We recently stayed with friends, and this toilet seat made the bathroom experience really fantastic. My son's actual first question was, how does it know when somebody is on the toilet seat? And it has an occupied sensor. So that question is easily answered by the toilet seat itself. It was very easy to install. There's just 2 lines to install, one of which goes to the water, and the other one provides the power. So there's the water line right there, and here is the power line. And at my friend's house, they simply connected it to an extension cord because their outlet was not close enough to the toilet itself. But they said it was exceptionally easy to set up and install on their toilet. So I'll go ahead and lift up the lid here. You can see on the inside, it just looks like a regular toilet seat. There's nothing that stands out as being bizarre or uncomfortable. It is a very nice looking toilet seat. And you can use the bidet features using either the remote control, which we'll take a look at in a moment, or these controls on the side. So if you take a look at the side, it has a control for sort of the feminine wash, the rear wash, and then the stop as well. So you can use those controls. We did not use them because we used the wireless remote instead. And this remote was very easy to use. There are a couple of different controls on here I'm going to point out because they're the ones that we used the most often. The first is just the standard rear wash, which was our favorite control. We also have an option for a front wash. It looks like a little feminine wash. It just shoots the water at a slightly different angle. The little fan icon turns on a fan, which I ended up not using very much. And then there's another one as well for another type of rear wash. So there are lots of different adjustable options that you've got going on here. And whatever you choose, you can always press the stop button. They are on a timer, so they'll go for a certain amount of time, or you just press that stop button to stop it. And you can use those to adjust it as well. The water does have adjustable temperature, so it comes out warm, so it's not shocking or upsetting when you use it. This was just a really fantastic product to use. We called it our luxury bathroom experience. And if anybody is considering adding a bidet to their toilet, this one works absolutely great. We highly recommend it.